Ready to upgrade your kitchen. These 20 Amazon finds can help make cooking easier and more organized. All products links are in description below. Let's get started. Number 1, the Reveuse food processor, $36. A versatile kitchen tool designed to make food preparation faster and easier. It quickly chops, slices, and processes ingredients, saves valuable prep time, reduces manual effort, and helps create meals more efficiently, while keeping everyday cooking simple and convenient. Number 2, the STIRLEX Premium Batter Dispenser, $34. A handy kitchen gadget designed to make baking and breakfast prep easier. It dispenses batter with precision, helps create evenly sized pancakes, waffles, and cupcakes, reduces mess, and keeps countertops cleaner for a smoother cooking experience. Its easy-to-use design makes portioning quick and hassle-free. Number 3, the AeroPress Go Plus Portable Coffee Maker Kit, $71. A compact coffee maker designed for fresh coffee at home, at work, or on the go. It brews smooth, rich coffee in minutes, travels easily, requires minimal cleanup, and delivers a great cup wherever your day takes you. Its portable design makes it perfect for travel, camping, and everyday use. Number 4, the THETCHRY Vacuum Sealer, $30. A handy kitchen solution designed to keep food fresher for longer. It removes excess air from storage bags, helps reduce food waste, preserves flavor and freshness, and makes meal prep and freezer storage more organized. Its compact design fits easily into any kitchen setup. Number 5, the YouCopia FridgeView Rolling Egg Holder, $24. A smart refrigerator organizer designed to keep eggs neatly stored and easy to access. It automatically rolls eggs forward as one is removed, saves refrigerator space, reduces clutter, and helps keep your fridge looking organized. Its clear design makes it easy to see how many eggs you have left at a glance. Number 6, the Dingejar Divided Serving Tray with Lid, $29. A convenient serving solution designed to keep snacks, fruits, and appetizers neatly organized. It features divided compartments for easy separation, helps keep food fresh with a protective lid, and makes serving and entertaining more organized and hassle-free. Its portable design is perfect for parties, picnics, and family gatherings. Number 7, the Elite Gourmet 4-Slice Long Slot Toaster, $26. A versatile kitchen appliance designed to toast a variety of breads with ease. It features extra long slots for bagels, artisan bread, and larger slices, delivers even toasting, saves time during busy mornings, and makes breakfast preparation quick and convenient. Its sleek design fits beautifully into any kitchen. Number 8, the Aomiesen Magnetic Knife Block Holder, $35. A modern kitchen organizer designed to keep knives safely stored and easily accessible. It uses a strong magnetic surface to hold knives securely, saves counter space, helps keep blades organized, and adds a clean professional look to your kitchen. Its open design also makes grabbing the right knife quick and easy. Number 9, the YouCopia FreezeUp Freezer Food Block Maker, $19. A smart freezer organization tool designed to help maximize storage space. It freezes foods into stackable blocks, makes freezer organization easier, saves valuable space, and helps keep meals neatly stored and easy to find. Its clever design creates a more organized and efficient freezer. Number 10, the SLOTTET 6-quart stainless steel stock pot, $59. A versatile cookware essential designed for soups, stews, pasta, and more. It offers a generous capacity, durable stainless steel construction, even heat distribution, and reliable performance for everyday cooking. Its classic design makes it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 11, the Pukomc Deep Fryer, $55. A convenient kitchen appliance designed to deliver crispy, restaurant-style results at home. It heats oil efficiently, helps cook foods evenly, makes frying simple and consistent, and is great for everything from fries to chicken and is perfect for meal prep. Its large capacity is perfect for family meals and gatherings. Number 12, the Nodirz 3-in-1 Bottle Cleaning Brush, $4. A handy cleaning tool designed to make washing bottles, lids, and straws easier. It features multiple brush heads for hard-to-reach areas, helps remove residue more effectively, improves cleaning efficiency, and keeps drinkware fresh and ready to use. Its compact design makes storage simple and convenient. Number 13, the Paneceia Meat Thermometer, $59. A useful cooking tool designed to help achieve accurate food temperatures every time. It provides quick temperature readings, helps prevent overcooking or undercooking, improves cooking precision, and makes preparing meat safer and easier. Its easy-to-read display takes the guesswork out of cooking. Number 14, the MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine, $20. A fun kitchen gadget designed to turn ice into fluffy shaved ice in seconds. It helps create refreshing snow cones, frozen treats, and icy drinks at home, makes entertaining more enjoyable, and adds a fun twist to hot summer days. Its compact design is easy to use and store. Number 15, the Frewinky 16.9-ounce olive oil dispenser bottle, $29. A stylish kitchen accessory designed for controlled and mess-free pouring. It helps dispense oil more accurately, reduces spills, keeps countertops cleaner, and makes cooking, salad prep, and food seasoning more convenient. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. Number 16, the Fullstar Vegetable Spiralizer and Slicer, $14. A versatile kitchen tool designed to make meal prep faster and more creative. It quickly transforms vegetables into noodles, slices, and garnishes, saves prep time, adds variety to meals, and helps create healthier dishes with ease. Its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Number 17, the HONGBAKE 9-piece baking pans set, $53. A complete bakeware collection designed to handle a wide range of baking needs. It includes multiple pan sizes for cakes, cookies, breads, and more, offers durable non-stick performance, makes baking more convenient, and helps deliver consistent results. Its versatile set is great for both beginners and experienced bakers. Number 18, the Kikcoin Bamboo Cutting Boards, $39. A kitchen essential designed to provide a durable and reliable surface for food prep. It helps protect countertops, offers plenty of cutting space, handles everyday chopping and slicing tasks with ease, and keeps meal preparation organized. Its natural bamboo construction adds a warm and stylish touch to any kitchen. Number 19, the Hamilton Beach 6-in-1 Electric Egg Cooker, $44. A convenient kitchen appliance designed to take the guesswork out of cooking eggs. It prepares eggs in multiple styles, saves time during busy mornings, delivers consistent results, and makes breakfast preparation quick and effortless. Its versatile design is perfect for everyday use. Number 20, the ZAR Sink Drain Strainer, $9. A simple kitchen essential designed to help keep sinks clean and clog-free. It catches food scraps and debris before they enter the drain, reduces blockages, makes cleanup easier, and helps maintain a cleaner kitchen sink. Its easy-to-use design fits seamlessly into everyday kitchen routines. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.